girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
With the ink in you, getting under my skin. Little young thing. things got me too excited. Yeah. Play me. No doubt, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even imagine the key straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You share stories where you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, lens looking jaded. Most of these things I wanna say, I wanna be around while you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. Let's play a little just between you and me. I'll be honest, gotta use your mind. We can be constant robbers, Tarzan and Jay, Marilyn and Robert White. Either way, the objective is the same, to please and entertain. My vixen, my battle be a stain. We'll get the spotlight all night, check every time we play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Bring a captivating performance every time. Why not be reactive? Pull out all the stops. You can pick the scene, if I can pick the props. You love our classroom, my office, masquerade expert on office. We can play, the objective is the same, to please and entertain. My vixen, my battle be a stain. Won't get the spotlight all night, check every time we play. You will be my vixen as we improvise. Bring a captivating performance every time.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Unice hair, and today I'm reviewing one of their pre-everything units. This unit is pre-plucked, it comes with bleach knots, and it comes bone straight. But I've been wearing a lot of straight hair lately, so I wanted to switch it up a little bit and do something different. And you know, I haven't crimped my hair in a while, so I was like, this would be the perfect opportunity to crimp this unit, especially because it's like this beautiful jet black color. And you guys, I didn't put any hairspray or anything on this unit. This is just me crimping the hair just regular, and it's just so beautiful. Now this unit is a little bit different from some of the other units that I received because this is a 13x4 frontal. However, I didn't use any products to adhere this unit. It does like have these side pieces that have like lace tape, and I didn't know like nothing about that. I guess like that's like a new thing with the units now, but they're putting like lace tape on the side, so you literally just peel the blue part off, and underneath there's like a clear adhesive tape, and you literally just like stick it down. And I just really like the no baby hair look. As you guys have probably been noticing, I have not been doing baby hair in a lot of my looks lately, just because for one, I know it's like not for everybody, and also not every look needs to have baby hair. But I did put some concealer in this part just to help it stand out a little bit more. But other than that, you guys, this is one of those units that's literally ready right out of the box. If you want to wear it straight, you can probably just like run your flat iron over it a couple of times and you'll be good to go. And it's also a very snug fit. I like how it fits in the back. I have a smaller head, so a lot of units tend to fit very large on me, and they tend to be kind of uncomfortable because they don't fit as good. But this one fits perfectly, and I love the fact that it also has like that piece in the back that's like a grip, but it also has the adjustable straps, which I have been missing because a lot of companies have not been putting the adjustable straps anymore in the back, and I don't like that they're doing that. But I like that this company is including the adjustable straps in the back like our normal units do, and they also give you a comb in the back as well, so you can hook it underneath your braids, and it really fits nice and secure. I don't don't feel like, you know, my unit is just gonna like slide off or anything like that. It just feels very snug, very secure, and I really do like this unit overall. Now I do have this unit in a 24-inch. Now as far as the density on this unit, I will say that the density is a little bit on the lighter side, and it's not too full but not too thin. I would say this is around 150% density, which is pretty standard. I could be wrong about that, so just make sure you always check the description box because that's where all of the details will be for the unit. But yeah, very beautiful. I really like how this came out. If you guys are interested in that crimping iron, that is a crimping iron from my company Taste Levels. So if you guys are interested in purchasing that, I will leave a link down below for the crimping iron. I do have a couple in stock right now, so if you guys are interested, you guys can definitely get it and get this exact same look, because different crimping irons give you different kinds of looks. And the one thing that I really like about my crimping iron is the fact that you can actually crimp a large section at one time instead of doing like one little piece at a time without adding any product to this hair. This hair is holding a crimp very well. Even this side, which I crimped first and then I crimped this side second, and it still looks really good. So love that about it. I am gonna stand up just so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me, and then I will do a close-up just so you guys can see the hairline a little bit better. This is where the unit is hitting me in the front. I'll come up just a little bit closer for you guys so you guys can see. So it's just like mid-waist where it's hitting me on the side and then in the back. And then here's just a up-close look at this unit and everything. Like I said, there's no product on this hair. I did put a little bit of foaming mousse at the top just to help with like some of the flyaways, but other than that, there's no product on this hair. Hairline is looking like, I don't have any product to add here this unit. I didn't use any ebon lace spray or none of that, no glue or nothing. So this is what it's currently giving. Okay, now because I have makeup on, this is actually looking a little bit lighter because I have like my contour right there, but you can definitely make it melt better, but mine is just not melted that good. But yeah, this is what this side is looking like. Like I said, this is taped down, you guys. I don't have anything else adhering the unit other than the tape. But like I said, that's why I didn't want to do any baby hairs, because when you just look here in the center, like you don't see anything. There's no need for baby hairs. The center part does melt pretty good. And like I said, I did put some cream foundation in the part right there. So this is what it is giving. I really do like this unit. If you're looking for a unit that is just quick and easy to put on, you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots, plucking it, doing all of that, then you definitely should check out this unit from Unice. I will have a direct link available in the description box down below for you guys. If you guys have any questions that I didn't cover, make sure you drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.